Hey friends, if you encounter the error where system image backup fails with the error codes 0x807800c5 and 0x80070020, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. Now the first solution is an SFC scan. So search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on Run as Administrator in the right pane. Type the command sfc /scan now and hit enter to invoke the sfc scan. The next solution is a disk cleanup. Why? Because at times there are older backup files which can cause the problem, and instead of going through the complicated procedure to delete it, just delete the backup files from disk cleanup. Search for disk cleanup in the Windows search bar and open disk cleanup. Click on OK. Check all of these boxes here. Okay, click on OK and then select delete files. And the last solution is a clean boot. So search for system configuration in the Windows search bar and open system configuration. Go to the services tab. Check the box associated with hide on Microsoft services. If any of the service is checked, click on disable all, apply, OK, and then restart your computer. I'll tell you how this helps. This helps in the sense that if the issue is caused due to interference by any third-party software product, then this one eliminates that probability. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.